So together, we really provide an attractive value proposition to our partners who are looking to develop their own point of care diagnostic products in their own particular fields. And the value there is not only just the knowledge base, but by having the mature technology platforms, it means they don't have to develop those from scratch. There is a time saving, a financial saving for them as well.
Hello and welcome back to the Proactive Studio. I'm Tyler Tully and joining me today is Lumos Diagnostics Chief Technology Officer Sasha Doppheide to talk about its extended BDI agreement to advance liver function tests. Sasha, thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Tyler. Appreciate the time.
So you've extended an agreement with the BDI. Can you talk to us about this?
Yeah, we're very excited to have completed the first phase of work with BDI, and obviously signing the next phase of development activities to work with them. In the previous phase, it was more focused on a feasibility activity to develop further the liver function test, and also to take one of our reader platforms and customize that for BDI's needs. In this next phase, we'll be producing tests for BDI, as well as reader devices and an associated smartphone app. And BDI will use this testing system to deploy into clinical trial sites. And it allowed them to collect real world data and user feedback on the system. And that data will all get transmitted via the smartphone to BDI, so they'll have access to the data pretty much in real time as tests are run.
The contract value is really significant. What kind of impact do you think it's going to have on the business?
Yeah, obviously, the total amount is a very big deal for Lumos, for sure, in terms of our revenue for the next financial year. In addition to that, it's great to see a project go from a smaller feasibility phase into a larger development project, and also draw upon a lot of our technology platforms, such as our reader device and our app system. And so it allows us to continue developing those platforms, and the revenues that those will bring in the longer term, because eventually we hope to go to more of a longer term manufacturing agreement with BDI.
And these types of agreements, like the one with BDI, are a big revenue stream for Lumos. Can you tell us more about your partnership activities?
Yeah, so part of Lumos's overall business is really to focus in and narrow in on point of care diagnostic tests, and trying to move that testing from the central laboratory closer to where end users are, where they need results faster to be able to make decisions. And so part of that, Lumos has developed a really deep expertise within its technical team and supporting clinical and regulatory teams. Combine that with the development we've done in our own technology platforms. And so together, we really provide an attractive value proposition to our partners who are looking to develop their own point of care diagnostic products in their own particular fields. And the value there is not only just the knowledge base, but by having the mature technology platforms, it means they don't have to develop those from scratch. There is a time saving, a financial saving for them as well. We also provide customization activities for those particular platforms. So if they want certain features or functionality, we can provide those customization services too. So really tailoring into what they particularly need to try and result in a product that they can take to market. And so our partnerships mean we can leverage the expertise and the platforms they already have to really develop those strong relationships with our partners. And obviously, it's an important revenue stream for Lumos. We do provide services, so fee for service activities in relation to developing the tests, and also the customization activities that we do. We also have in-house manufacturing, so there's an ongoing revenue stream for Lumos when we manufacture tests and readers for those particular partners.
How important are agreements and partnerships like the BDI agreement to help you leverage your other offerings?
They're a big part of confirming the program of work that we've done ourselves internally. So we've obviously gone out to the market and understand in the point of care space what is important to the end users that we work with. But also having other partners who potentially have different end users to the people that we work with. It also reinforces the investment that we've made in our platforms, and also helps define any future development activities we decide to do on those platforms for ourselves.
Sasha, thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks, Tyler. Appreciate it.